Zach with Quantum Land Design here. I thought I'd make a quick video showing you a few settings to keep an eye on during your topographic mapping missions. We'll start over here, right up top. There's a percentage of battery left on the drone. Right here, RC is remote control. That's the strength of the signal to the drone, which is good here. Right here's RTK if you're using RTK. Now that's not required for mapping missions. Ground control is what we'll use to tie your data back into your machine control models or engineering data. But if you are, you can tap on this, make sure you have a good connection and are seeing plenty of satellites. We'll jump back over here to the photo settings. You'll see we're set on shutter priority. These are the number of photos left on the memory card in the drone. We're over 5,000 left. That's plenty. You should see that count down as the mission continues. We're set on manual focus to infinity here, so we hold our focus steady. Our exposure value, I set it a minus 0.07 right after we took off, and that adjusted our aperture value down to around a 5. So that should run somewhere between a 3 and about a 6 for a topographic mapping mission. You'll see our shutter speed is set at 1 to 2,000. That's a bright sunny day, so we sped that up to the top of the range. And our ISO is set at 100 and holding. If we keep going across the top, we'll see we're showing about 14 minutes left on the drone battery. And here is our flight route progress. We're about 3/4 of the way done. And if we drop that down, we can get a little bit more information. You'll see we have about 7 minutes left on the flight, a couple hundred photos left. And looking at these two numbers, we should be able to finish this flight on this battery, but we may have to land, put another battery in, and jump back up to finish the flight. Down here at the bottom, you can see here's our drone speed is about 14 miles an hour. Shows our wind speed here is about 10 miles an hour today. If we jump over on this side, that's our flight height. So we're flying a little bit under 300 feet. This customer wanted a little bit higher resolution ortho photo, so we lowered our flight height just a little bit. And here's another nice piece of information to have. That is the distance from the home point to the drone. The home point's probably where you are, so right now we're about 1,000 feet from the drone. We can open this over here to see our flight progress. You'll see there's our home point right there. The drone's down on the south end of the site, and you can see we have a few flight lines left that are getting shorter as we go.